Hey, welcome to Love Live Save. I am so excited for today's video. I am finally starting to feel like my normal self. I've been recovering from strep throat. It's been a rough week. Um, but I've put together 10 really easy and quick laundry deals that you can do this Saturday, October 22nd at Dollar General. This is going to be a similar format to my last video where I don't explain each individual coupon, but the coupons will be up on the screen. It will be very clear what you need to clip, and I think this is going to be a much easier method for us. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you give the video a like if you enjoy the deals. So let's get started, shall we? For our first laundry deal, you could grab one of those single count packs of Febreze plug-in refills for $5.50, one tub of Tide Pods for $15.95, and finally grab one of the smaller size bags of Tide Pods for $5.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $26.95. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon that you gotta make sure you clip, our total out of pocket comes down to $15.45 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $11.50. For our second laundry deal, you could grab one of the Febreze small spaces for $3.25. Grab one of the 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95. Now, I want to make sure I mention here this $3 coupon for the Bounce Pet dryer sheets. It's a rare coupon. We don't get it very often. So, if this is an item that you use a lot for your family, I highly encourage you to take this time to stock up for your family. Grab one bottle of Downy fabric softener for $10.95. By the way, this $3.50 coupon is also a rare coupon. Such a great time to stock up. And finally, grab one of the Airwick plugins for $2.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.40. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $11.40 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $15. This is a really great deal because if you think about it, the total out of pocket is just barely over the full price of just a Downy fabric softener. Such a great time to stock up. Our third laundry deal is a great one to stock up on dryer sheets. So first grab one of the smaller boxes of Gain dryer sheets for $4.50, one of the 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95, and finally grab two of the 50 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets. There's two different coupons, so first clip this $1 off Bounce Pet dryer sheets coupon, as well as this other $1 off Bounce Pet dryer sheets coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.45. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.45 plus tax. That's a total savings of $11. That is a lot of dryer sheets for only $14.45 plus tax. Our fourth laundry deal, grab one of the Airwick plugins for $2.25, one box of Gain dryer sheets for $4.50, one bottle of Downy fabric softener for $10.95, and finally grab one bottle of Purex laundry detergent for $9.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value with this deal comes to $27.20. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $15.20, so that's a total savings of $12 for this deal. For our fifth laundry deal, grab one bag of Tide Pods for $5.50, one bottle of extra laundry detergent for $6, one pack of Skintimate razors for $6.75, and finally grab one of the 2 count packs of Febreze plug-in refills for $10. So let's add everything up. Our total out of pocket before coupons comes to $28.25. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $12.25 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $16 for this deal. Such a great deal. For our sixth laundry deal, you could grab one of the 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95, one box of Borax detergent booster for $6. Unfortunately, we don't have a coupon for them. I don't know why we never get coupons for Borax. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? But like I always tell you, that's totally okay. One tub of True Living Oxy Cleaner for $5. Again, we don't have a coupon for this one. This is a really great substitute if your family uses OxyClean a lot, by the way. It works just as good, in my opinion, of course. And finally, one Chic Intuition razor for $7.75. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.70. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $17.70 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $11. Now, I know that's a higher out of pocket deal, but that includes a really big box of dryer sheets and two items, the borax and oxy cleaner, that we don't even have coupons for. So I think this is a really great deal. For our seventh laundry deal, grab one box of Gain dryer sheets for $4.50, one bottle of extra laundry detergent for $6, one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $12.50, and finally one of the Febreze small spaces for $3.25. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.25. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $15.25 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $11. For our eighth laundry deal, grab one Airwick plug-in for $2.25, one bag of Gain Flings for $4.50, one of the 60 count tubs of Gain Flings for $15.95, and yes, it has to be the 60 count, it can't be the 51 count. And finally, one bag of the Almighty Packs for $4.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $27.20. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $15.70. So that's a total savings of $11.50. For our ninth laundry deal, grab one of the Shea Moisture African Black soaps for $6, one tub of Tide Pods for $15.95, and finally one pack of Skin Tint razors for $6.75. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.70. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $13.20 plus tax. So that's a savings of $15.50. Really great deal. For our 10th laundry deal, grab one of those 130 count boxes of Bounce Pet dryer sheets for $9.95, one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent for $12.50. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.70. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to $13.70 plus tax. So that's a total savings of $12. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and it helps you save money this week. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you're still looking for more deals for this Saturday, be sure to check out this other deal video and I will see you over there.